Hello viewer, welcome back to your dream physique. In this video, we will discuss about ketogenic diet. What should be added and avoided while following a keto diet? Ketogenic diet is basically a low-carb, high-fat diet that offers many health benefits. In the first place, the macro breakdown in the ketogenic diet is 70% fats, 5% carbs and 25% protein. Moreover, this low-carb diet will not allow your body to generate energy from glucose, and your body will start burning fat. Furthermore, the total calories consumed in a day comes from fat, as 1 gram of fat contains 9 calories. A person with a 2000 calorie diet will consume around 155 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbohydrates, 125 grams of protein. Types of ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is of 4 types. It depends upon person to person, what type of keto diet they want to follow according to their goals. Standard ketogenic diet. It is one of the most common types of the keto diet, and it consists of high fat, moderate protein and low carbs. 70% calories in standard ketogenic diet comes from fat, 25% calories from protein and only 5% calories from carbs. Targeted ketogenic diet. In this type, people cut down carbs on rest days, when they do not work out, and add carbs on their workout days, so that the calories that come from carbs get burned during the workout. Cyclical ketogenic diet. Cyclic keto diet is very different from standard and targeted keto diet, as in this, 5 days people follow the keto diet and 2 days are considered as high carbs day. High protein ketogenic diet. As the name suggests, in this, people intake most of their calories from protein. This type of keto diet is important for those who want to lose fat but at the same time, do not want to lose muscles. Benefits of ketogenic diet. Supports weight loss. The main reason to follow a ketogenic diet is to lose weight. As it is a low-carb diet, it will help you to lose weight faster than any other diet. Good for diabetic people. Low-carb diet will not spike your insulin levels, and thus it helps people to fight diabetes. May protect brain function. The ketones that generate during the keto diet provide neuroprotective benefits, which means they can strengthen and protect the brain and nerve cells. Cures heart disease. Ketogenic diet increases HDL, high-density lipoprotein, which is good cholesterol and helps to protect our heart. It also manages our blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Side effects of ketogenic diet. Following a ketogenic diet can lead to headache, constipation, weakness and even vomiting. These side effects are very common and we can overcome them with proper guidance. Foods to eat in ketogenic diet. Nuts. Nuts are considered a high-fat food. Almonds and peanuts are a good source of unsaturated fats which can be added to your diet. High-fat dairy. Dairy products such as butter, full cream milk and cheese are a good source of fat. 10 to 20% of total calories from fat can be consumed from dairy products. Eggs. We all know that eggs are a good source of protein, and one whole egg consists of 6 grams of protein and 5 grams of fat. Consuming 2 to 3 whole eggs is safe during a keto diet. Meat. Chicken breast or red meat can be added to the keto diet to increase the protein intake per day. Chicken breast is considered a lean source of protein, whereas red meat has some amount of fat present in it. Seafoods. Another good source of protein and omega-3. Seafoods such as salmon and tuna are very common in muscle building and fat loss. It is considered to have smaller fish like sardines, mackerel and herring. Foods to avoid in ketogenic diet. Oats. Oats is considered a high-carb food, containing around 65 grams of carbs per 100 grams. Eating oats will increase your carbs intake per day, which is not recommended in a keto diet. Quinoa. It is another type of grain that is consumed by many people after oats. People on a ketogenic diet usually avoid any kind of grains in their diet. Wheat. It is a very good source of carbs, as one medium-sized chapati has around 20 grams of carbs. This is the only reason people avoid wheat in the keto diet. Rice. Both brown as well as white rice provide a good amount of carbs. Brown rice has some amount of protein in it, but the carbs present in it is twice as protein. Bananas, one medium-sized banana has 25 grams of carbs. Having one banana will complete your total carbs intake per day when you follow keto diet. Conclusion. Ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that offers many health benefits. The main reason to follow a ketogenic diet is to lose weight. It helps people to fight diabetes. It strengthens and protects the brain and nerve cells. Helps to protect our heart. Can lead to headache, constipation, weakness and even vomiting. I hope you found this video informative. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And most important, don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.